channel. Today I wanted to do a quick Dia & Co unboxing and try on. If you're not familiar with what Dia & Co is, they are basically a styling service where they have a subscription box that you can get every month or every 3 months or every 6 months. You kind of can set it up what suits you, but it's a styling service where you pay a $20 styling fee and they send you a box of like 5 or 6 pieces of clothing. This is plus size clothing, and with that $20 that you pay initially, that goes towards any purchase that you might want to keep of any of the items. So you have 5 days to try these items on, and you decide if you want to keep something or if you want to return something. If you decide that the box doesn't work for you or that you don't like the items, you can return it and they do not charge you for that. You only pay for the items that you keep. And that $20 that you initially pay as a styling fee will go towards any of those purchases. And then if you decide to keep like the entire box, they do offer you a 25% discount on top. So it's a really good service. If you're not familiar with them, I do have one other try on video a few months ago that I did with them. And what my experience has been with them, it's hit or miss as far as the styles, but they do have like a questionnaire that you fill out based on like what your preferences are, your sizing, the colors that you like, and they do take that into consideration. What I've noticed is that their clothing is really good quality. So this is good clothing that will last. It's not like cheap clothing or cheap material. The material is pretty good quality, and it is a little bit pricier than regular like fast clothing retail stores, but to me I feel like it's worth it because these items, these pieces will last you longer. So sometimes it's worth just paying a little bit more, but they do take your budget into consideration. They kind of let you pick what your price range kind of is or what your budget is for clothing. So they do take that into consideration. So I did get my box, and the note that I got, my stylist this time, her name was Andrea, and it says, "Hi Nora, I'm sorry your last box didn't work out as you had hoped. I look forward to continuing getting to know your style and learning what your favorite pieces are. The strappy Santa Monica dress is a fun summer dress that goes well with your fierce and glamorous style. Rock the dress with platform sandals and a denim jacket for a day out shopping. Add a fun hat and gold hoop earrings for some pizzazz. I also included some of your pinned items. They do have an option where you can go through their website and pin items that you think you might like, and then they look at stuff similar to that, or they pick stuff from there also and add it to your box. I also have my Instagram linked, and I believe I have my YouTube linked, where the stylist can take a look at my social media and see kind of what my style is to get an idea of what to send me. So let's see. The Dakota jeans will give you tons of wear and will look great with tees and flowy blouses. Blouses like the Trisha blouse are a great way to dress up jeans. The Cassie blouse is a fun summer top that you can pair with ripped white jeans. Lastly, enjoy showing off your curves with a Brianna blouse. I hope these pieces make you feel like the confident woman you deserve to be. Andrea." Thank you so much, Andrea. So like I said, these boxes are hit or miss. I feel like it does take a couple of boxes before your stylist kind of really gets your style. So I'm going to go through what I got, and then I'm going to show you everything tried on. This particular box, I want to say, was not very much my style. But, I mean, they are sending, I did rate the box already, and they are sending me another box they're waiving the styling fee, and they're sending me another box because they're all about, making sure that you're happy with your box. So I think it's great. I think it's a great service. And the first item, let me show you guys, are these jeans by Molly and Isadora. I have tried on their brand before, and it always fits really well. I got these in a 24. I do like to size up with the boxes. Just a 22 probably would have fit fine, but I like to size up with them because I never know if their style is going to run small or big. So I always want to always size up just to be safe. But these are the girlfriend jeans in a size 24, and they are destructed. As you can see, they have a lot of like little destruction around the knees, which I like. I don't like a lot of thigh destruction because they tend to rip when I have my thighs are destructed like that. So I like my ripping to be like destruction to be around the knees, and they're just all the way to the ankle. And yeah, these are really nice jeans. So I'm not technically opening the box, I just pretty much opened it. This next item is this beautiful dress. Let's see. The brand is Mod Elusive in a 3X. I'm not a fan of the style. I'm a fan of the style, I'm not a fan of the print. So this is this dress. This one is the 3X. It's just very thin material, and I feel like it's kind of see-through. I do understand that she said to pair this with a denim jacket, which would look really cute, I think. That's probably how I would wear it. It's a pretty little midi dress. But the thing is, I don't own a denim jacket. I actually want to invest for the fall in a really good denim jacket. I haven't had a denim jacket since high school. So if you guys know of any cute denim jackets out there that are affordable, yeah, definitely let me know in the comments. And then this next top is Mary Sky by Mary Sky. It's a 3X. I tried it on and it actually fits really good, but I'm going to show you guys in a bit. It fits really good. I love polka dots. I don't like the style of the top in particular. A lot of this stuff that they sent me in this particular box, it's pretty. It's a pretty blouse. It has like little ruching in the sleeves. It's pretty, and it's a tie. You tie it on the sides. It fit. I was scared that it wasn't gonna fit because it doesn't have a lot of stretch, but it actually did fit really nice. And you guys will see. The only thing that I didn't really like in particular about this box is a lot of the clothing, the tops that were sent to me, the prints were kind of not my style. And I do love floral prints and I love polka dots, but just kind of the style itself was kind of very like office type style, and I don't work in an office, so I wouldn't really have a lot of use for it because I don't like office style. I dress very casual, and you guys will see that. I like dresses, and I like kind of like casual floral prints or casual stuff that you could wear to like the movie theater or like the park or the mall, but not really the office look, if that makes sense. So this next top is by Mira Lane. It's a 3X. I didn't like this top, like at all. There's not a lot of stretch. I mean, it might be cute for some of you guys. You guys might like it. For me, not really my style. I don't like white tops at all. There's no stretch in it. The top fit me, but the bottom was tight around my hip area, and you guys will see. I'll show you. And then the last top is the one that they sent me. I don't know what brand this is. I'll show you guys once I have it. I'll tell you guys once I have it on. Once I do the try on. But I have this on with some black leggings from Torrid. And let me show you. It's just a long, flowy t-shirt. What I don't like about this one, though, is the cold shoulder. I don't like cold shoulder tops. I like off the shoulder or full sleeves, but this cold shoulder business, I do not like. But yeah, but they tried, and I do appreciate their effort on trying to find my style, but I know that it might take a few tries before they get kind of like the idea of what I like. So with that being said, the pricing, the Trisha short cuff sleeve woven blouse, which would have been this one here. Wait, is it this one? No. You know what I just realized? Let me say something. cold shoulder, tie blouse, spaghetti dress. Okay, so this is this one. This one is $29. So since I had that $20 styling credit, if I wanted to keep this top, it would be $9, but I don't want to keep it because it doesn't fit my hips properly. So that one is $29. The V-neck side tie blouse, the one with the polka dots, this one, $39, which is a cute top, but I don't have anywhere that I would wear that because I don't really like the office style look. The spaghetti strap dress was $49. The destructed jeans, which I love, it was probably the piece I love the most. They're $65. They're a little out of my price range. I mean, I'm honest. I am always looking to stick within my budget for clothing. I like to pay anywhere up to like $30 for jeans. $65 is just kind of out of my price range. If I was going to pay $65 for jeans, I would buy 2 pairs for $65. Even though they're good quality, it's just not within my price range right now. I don't like to pay $65 for just one piece, so I won't be getting those. The Cassie cold shoulder knit top, which is this one, $45, which I don't like this one. I don't like cold shoulder. I don't like my shoulder like that. It just looks weird to me. That one's $45. So the total of the merchandise is $227. If I wanted to get everything together, all together, they apply a discount of 25% plus my styling fee. The total would be $150, which is actually not bad for this box because there are good pieces here. It's just the box is not really my style. So I think it's a great discount. $150 for all of this is a really good deal. It's just not my cup of tea as far as the patterns go and the style of these tops. So if I'm going to pay $150, I want to pay for something that I love, absolutely love, that I'm crazy about. So I did rate them, rate this box, and they are sending me another box and waiving the shipping, not the shipping, the styling fee. So let me show you what I got. And I will put a link down below if you want to try a box out for yourself, and you get the, with my link, you will get the free styling fee waived. So definitely I would give it a try if you've been curious about it. But like I said, it does take a few boxes till they get your style down pat. So be patient and just have fun. It's fun to me to try different items and different styles. So I'm not against that. So let's just get started and let me show you these outfits. Okay guys, so this first top is a black floral cold shoulder top, and the brand is by Gilly, and this is a 3X. Actually, all of these tops are in a 3X. It's a beautiful top. I love the fact that I could wear this top with leggings. The leggings I'm wearing are not from Dia & Co. The black leggings are from Torrid. But this beautiful top, I like the fact that it goes over my hip area where I could wear with a pair of leggings or with a pair of jeans. It's a beautiful top. I'm not really into the cold shoulder style. I did want to show you that those leggings, these Torrid leggings are actually awesome. But this top, I would definitely pair with some black leggings. It's a beautiful top. It's just cold shoulders, not really my style. This next top it's a beautiful little top, just not my particular style. The brand for this one is Mira Lane in a 3X. The top part of the blouse fit very well, but the bottom did not. The bottom was very tight around my hips, so I will be returning this top. I did pair it with some shorts just to, you know, switch it up a bit, but you could wear this with like a pair of jeans or even a skirt. Like a cute little skater skirt would look cute with this. But yeah, this top has no stretch. So as you can tell, in the hip area, it was a lot tighter for me because I tend to be bigger around the stomach and the hip area. I want to say I'm like a pear shape, but I don't know. My body has changed throughout this past year, so I'm kind of like in between an apple and a pear shaped, I want to say. But yeah, this top itself, it's a beautiful top. I would definitely size up because it has no stretch. Okay, this next top is the tie. The ties are on the side, and I believe this is the one that's by Mira Sky, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. But this is a 3X. It is by Mary Sky. And it's polka dots, which I love polka dots. I don't like the style of the blouse itself. It's more like an office, like something I would wear if I was working in an office. And I'm wearing those Destructed jeans by Molly and Isadora. These jeans fit so comfortable. That's one thing I love about Dia & Co. is that their jeans fit me so well. I'm just lowering this a little bit so you guys can see, get a better look. But these are Destructed girlfriend jeans. They're actually really comfortable. They're not tight around the waist. I did leave the tags on everything because I am returning this particular box because a lot of it wasn't my style. So you're going to see the tags when I try this stuff on. But the outfit itself was really cute. I'm just not loving this top. It has little tie sides. If you work in an office, I think this is a perfect little top for that. But I don't really have anywhere to wear this top. So I won't be keeping it, but I did want to show you guys so you could see for yourself. The clothes is very comfortable. It fit me really well, this outfit. And this next dress is the spaghetti strap dress by, this was a 3X. I'm surprised it actually didn't look see-through after all. It is by Mod Elusive in a 3X. It's very pretty. I don't like spaghetti straps. I do like like little sundresses like this, but I don't like the little spaghetti strap deal. The pattern was not really my cup of tea, but because I guess because I prefer floral prints and polka dots. This is actually not polka dots. I want to say this is like a black and white animal print type. Kind of, I don't even know. It has a few buttons down, but it actually fit really comfortable. I was surprised how comfortable it fit, and it actually looked pretty, and it wasn't as see-through as I thought it would be. So I was pleasantly surprised with this dress. It's comfortable. Definitely, I would take her recommendation and wear this with a denim jacket if I had one. I think this would look so cute with like a cute like blue denim jacket on top. And maybe even some like white sneakers, white and black sneakers. I think it would just look so cute. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this box, and I will link everything down below.